Hello, Tab Nation! It's your boy Tom, and today we're doing a quick Chrome extension that is really nice. The reason I'm doing this is because I did a video in the past from the guy who actually created this. His name was, don't remember, but his GitHub will be linked in the URL down below, along with the AI event scheduler that he created. Yeah, this is really great. I definitely see it being very widely used in like a business, especially when you're getting emails and stuff that maybe the customer or whoever didn't link a actual calendar event to it. So that's really cool, and it uses AI to make it nice and clean and easy. Obviously, I have already installed this, so it says remove from Chrome. But if you don't have it installed, it'll ask you to install here instead of remove. But yeah, let's jump into it and let's look up a random event. So here's my calendar, just so you can see that it's pretty much completely blank. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and we're going to type in Halloween 2024. Because that's just around the corner. Well, actually, depending when I release this video, it might have already passed, but fine, whatever. So yeah, here we go. We got, Thursday, October 31st, 2024. That is Halloween. So yeah, if we go up to our little puzzle piece here, it's going to be installed right here under Access Requested AI Event Scheduler. But the thing is, though, we need to first actually connect it to AI. So what you're going to do is you get this little pop-up here, mode, new tab. So it has a few modes. It has new tab, it has iCalendar, and it has automatic, so it can kind of detect what you should do. But by default, it's new tab. Settings, we're going to click on settings. It has a nice little instructional thing here about how to get your API key in both OpenAI and Gemini. I'm going to be using Gemini on this video just because I haven't used it very often and I find it works the best with this so far. But you click that and it actually takes you to like the Google AI for Developers page, and it gives you instructions on how to get it. So get a API key. We're going to go ahead and click on that. It's going to take us to another page where over here you're going to see a nice little blue button that sticks out very nicely that says Get API Key. We're going to click that. Obviously, make sure you're logged in to your Google account. It'll probably ask you here if not. Oh, we're already on that page, sorry. Scroll down, push Create API Key. We got some stuff down here. You can always delete it. But yeah, we're going to click that. We're going to name our project. We'll just name it my first project since that's already there. And we're going to say create. We're going to wait. It's going to generate, and it's going to be one heck of a code, that's for sure. Go ahead, push copy. And if you watch one of my previous videos, you'll know why a new tab just opened there, because I forgot to disable that. That is fine. And now we're going to go back to it. Sorry, I got so many tabs open, it's a bit ridiculous. There we are. You're going to go ahead and paste that in there, and you're going to push save. Don't worry, I'm going to delete this API key after this video. We're going to go ahead, push save. We're good. We've got a desktop notification letting us know that it did that. Now we should be ready to go. So we're going to go here. We're going to highlight whatever we think is important. Obviously, you need the date involved in there. And really, the only thing important about this is that it's Halloween. Obviously, you can highlight more like details and timing and stuff like that. And you just right-click, and you should have a new option on here, which I'm just realizing you can't see. Let me scroll down because of the recording space I'm doing. There we go. So right here, you got Create Google Calendar Event. So you're going to click on that. I did have it set to new tab, so as you see, it automatically opened it. It automatically knows that the title should be Halloween. It didn't really have anything else because I didn't highlight too much, so it just added Halloween into the description because that's all it really had to go off of. And once again, it knows that it's October 31st. Because I didn't have a time in there, it is automatically going to mark it as an all-day event, which is true, so that's good. But if it had a time, it would do that. And then from here, you can kind of just, adjust whatever. Does it repeat? That kind of stuff. Do you want to add a location? But even if you do highlight a location, it should know to fill this out too. So it's pretty good. And then you can just push save. We're going to snap back here. And look, there is Halloween now added. So it's real nice, very easy right there. I did just want to point out, at the time of filming this video, I did use Gemini. Using the OpenAI has been kind of hit or miss. Not sure what's going on there. Could be completely user error. It is a new extension, so give it some time. It might just be still being worked on. Who knows? And I just want to throw out this with a warning. Obviously, you guys all saw the API key right there, but I just deleted it, so it's unusable now. And yeah, don't share it with anybody unless you really want to and you trust them. I would share this maybe with my brother or something, but I definitely would not throw this out to all my friends or my coworkers who want to use this too, because then, depending on how your account's set up, it could eventually cost you money. So just keep an eye out for that. Every single person should create their own API, and that API key should only be used specifically for that program. So a good practice that I guess I really didn't do in this was I did call it my first project. Probably should have called it Calendar AI or something, so that specifically what that's for. When you copy an API key and you close out of that copy window that you saw earlier, you cannot get the API key back. So if you do need it again, because maybe you forgot it was in your clipboard and you copied something else, you would need to delete that one and create a new one. This is just to keep it very secure, which is great, but it can be a little annoying sometimes for sure. But if I were to have another AI program I was using, I would want to create a whole new API key for that program, then another program, It's just a good way to keep everything secure, tracked well, all that kind of stuff. So yeah, once again, link in the description below to this extension. And if you guys have any questions, let me know if there's features maybe you want to see, because I do know that the person who created this, he's definitely probably going to see this video at some point, because I've asked him some questions about it and whatnot, and worked with him on, some of his projects before and some of my videos that you guys really enjoyed. So yeah, if you have a recommendation or run into a problem, just throw it in the comments below. I'm sure he'll see it at some point, or I'll just let him know. Alright, everybody, thank you, and see you all on the next video. If you guys actually have any other AI Chrome extensions, let me know, because I am trying to do a bunch of videos on Chrome, because that's very popular. Let me know what you guys use that maybe is not necessarily related to auto hotkeys. Alright, everybody, bye!